Yeah.
Yeah, alright, let me set up my position. I'm gonna set up my position and blast like there's no tomorrow.
Who's using the AK? Wait, is it the AK? Oh, that's the AK.
Okay, I got him.
Hey there.
He's hiding, Go get him, boys.
Your fall damage.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, hold up. He's showing his head. Okay, I got him. Yeah.
Good.
Okay, so I got these in about a bullet.
How do I do it again?
Okay.
I'm
Reloading.
Hey, I forgot how to reload.
Reloading. Machine gun reloading right now.
I don't know how to reload. Lol, banana, stop shooting your teammates.
Not my teammate.
Bren?
Alright. I'm back in action.
No, he's our teammate. Why'd you kill our teammate?
Yo,
I'm right here.
Keep it going. Keep it going.
No, come here. No.
Oh, guy. Sniper in the enemy tower. I got him.
Guy on me. Oh, I killed him.
Come on, show yourself.
Oh, I died.
Match.
Is there animal company?
Me, I do. No one cares about animals. I have it.
Got that shitty game.
Reloading.
It's a crappy game. They're all in the tower thing.
Not all.
Cody, you see what gun I have?
This right here.
You see what gun I have? This is gonna win us the match.
Do you see
This
what
is
gun
gonna win
I
us
have?
the match.
My gun is literally better.
No, I do not.
Better than the minigun. This is
Oh,
better than the
imagine
minigun.
using a minigun. Like they're gonna use a minigun now. Like
This it.
I'm using a machine gun.
Are you dead? I think this guy's dead, man. You're not freaking
got him. Loki, I'm crushing him. I'm crushing it.
Going in with a block.
Shoot. Okay, I'm down. Mark, help me out in this one.
Ew.
Stand. What is needed? Alright, hold up. I'm reloading.
Oh, I got a new gun.
Somebody call 911.
Somebody call me. Going in with the Glock. Okay, that's one.
Oh my god.
This game is so annoying. This game is so sucky.
Block 18.
Got him.
Stop.
All right.
camping up.
I'm a blast. Keep blasting.
Okay, I'm using the minigun now, though. This guy's actually just. This guy's actually
Okay,
just.
hold up. Oh shit, Sam. God damn, Uncle Sam.
In the damn gun. I want to play something else. I don't get this.
This guy's aiming up there.
Does anyone have aim XR?
I have
Yes.
a MXR. I used to have a MXR actually, but I can download
Peter.
Man, can you just stop? Can you stop, please?
it. Who's asking? I'm the machine
I
gunner.
can't kill you up there. You keep on camping right there.
You talking to me? I'm
No
the
one
machine
cares
gunner.
if you're the machine gun. I'm asking.
Well,
You.
not.
Yeah, I'm
No
talking to you.
thanks, because it's getting me the win. So no, I'm not leaving my machine gun post.
Camper.
It's just being
Camper.
smart. I'm working smarter, not harder, bro.
You're
Sound
working camper.
Hold
You're a
up.
camper. You're a camper.
Damn, you mad because I literally just like
Like
am getting kills.
you're just mad that you literally just camps. You're
Dude,
just
I'm just
mad.
getting kills. You got a problem or something?
LOL. I'm just mad. LOL.
Damn, okay.